Ready to learn about withdrawing funds from MoonPay and discover if this platform is right for you? In this final episode, we're wrapping up our complete review. Hey everyone, it's Aoife for MemeFi. We've reached the conclusion of our MoonPay journey. Today, we'll walk through the withdrawal process and pull together everything we've discovered about this platform. First things first, can you withdraw funds through MoonPay? Absolutely. If you're in the United States, European Union, or United Kingdom, the process is refreshingly simple with just 4 steps. 1. Enter how much cryptocurrency you want to convert. 2. Choose your preferred traditional currency. 3. Provide your crypto wallet address for security. 4. Add your banking information for receiving funds. Let's take a moment to reflect on what makes MoonPay stand out. Throughout our review, we've uncovered several key advantages: a clean, user-friendly interface that anyone can navigate, multiple payment options to suit your preferences, bank-grade security measures, an impressive selection of supported cryptocurrencies, complete transparency about fees, a dedicated professional team behind the scenes. But let's be honest, no platform is perfect. Here are some points to consider. You'll pay premium fees compared to some other platforms. Cryptocurrency availability varies by region. Identity verification is mandatory. Some countries have withdrawal restrictions. Here's the bottom line. MoonPay has established itself as a trustworthy and forward-thinking service that keeps getting better. It's ideal for users who prioritize convenience and security over minimal fees. Think of it as the premium option in the crypto world. You pay a bit more, but you get a smoother experience in return. What makes MoonPay truly special is its role in democratizing cryptocurrency access. By making digital asset trading as simple as online shopping, they're helping bring cryptocurrency into the mainstream financial world. I'd love to hear about your journey with MoonPay. Have you given it a try? Which features matter most to you? Drop your experiences in the comments below. Thank you for being part of this comprehensive exploration of MoonPay. If you found value in this series, show your support with a like and subscribe to the channel. Got questions? Leave them in the comments. We're here to help. Until we meet again.